guys, my name is Matigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about something that does not make sense in the Senzo trial that we heard. We've been hearing it, but let's break it down now. Before we do that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you will be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. You are very much appreciated. Now, let's talk about this. State is lying here about something, guys, because what the hell is this? What the hell is this? There is something that is very... What if the timeline doesn't make sense? What if the state's own version is working against them? Because right now, in the Senzo Meyiwa trial, murder trial, something is not adding up. And it's not a small mistake. It's a massive contradiction. Let's break it down. According to the state, Bongani Ndanzi allegedly applied for leave in July 2014. The leave was for October 2014. Okay? Now, leave that is now being linked to the planning of Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. I don't think Ubaloyi understood the danger of those words when he said them, because Baloyi now qualified in the application leave go July when Ndanzi was asking questions. What do you mean? Did I apply for leave in July to come and murder Senzo or October? When Ndanzi was questioning that, Baloyi is the one that qualified it and said, no, Kaloku, wena, you needed time to plan. It needed planning. So that was it. That was enough time to do the planning. Now, there's a lot of questions that come with that accusation or that assumption. Yoguti, it needed. How does Baloyi know it doesn't matter? Uguti, how long do they need to be planned? How does he know that for him to be even having such assumptions? We are love. Do you understand? So it's him making assumptions. Okay, but it's a question, how does he know it? So now, if he is going to link application leave go July, now what doesn't make sense in that situation is, here is where things get uncomfortable. The same state says the communication between Ntuli and Kelly Khumalo. That was the first communication between Kelly Khumalo and Ntuli. And Ntuli is the coordinator according to the state. So the coordinator and the mastermind had their first communication for August. Go August. Their first ever communication was when? August. Unvile. It was in August, the communication. It only happened in August 2014. Wait, what? So let's get this straight, Kesan. You are telling the court that the plan, the plan was in motion go July. That's what Ubaloyi was alleging there. He alleged that the planning was in motion in July, but the alleged connection or instruction only comes in August. Make it make sense, Kesan. Oh, make bloody sense. That means the action came before the instruction. Before Ntuli got that call from Kelly Khumalo, Ndanzi was already applying for leave. Do I make sense? The preparation comes before the plan. The preparation. Before the plan, there was a preparation with Talal Ndanzi. He applied for leave. Go July 2014. How do you prepare for something that hasn't even been discussed yet? The coordinator and the mastermind did not yet link. Go July. Go July. And I think it was the 14th or something of August, mid-August, when this so-called call happened between the mastermind and the coordinator. Guys, that's not a huge gap. That is not a huge gap, ne? I'm joking. That is not just a gap, Gesan. That is not just a gap. That's a collapse. That is a collapse on its own, Gesan. Because in any criminal case, especially one built on confessions and circumstantial evidence, timeline is everything. You cannot have execution, then communication. It must be communication, then execution. Anything else is reasonable doubt. And this is exactly where the defense can strike. Ramsipele, come on, my brother, come on. Please, Butsipo, you know I'm behind you 100%. And Katenova, bangakwatisa, bakwenze udibane nawe so starterish. I don't care. When come on, get on this train, deal with it. Deal with it. There is no way. It can't be execution, then communication. It can't. Doesn't make sense. It's communication first, then execution. Anything else? Reasonable doubt, Kaloksan. Reasonable doubt. And this is exactly where the defense can strike Gesan Alam. Because if the state cannot explain this contradiction, then the entire theory of the premeditated murder starts to fall apart. Not slowly, but completely. Completely. So the real question is, did the state just expose a fatal flaw in its own case? Or is there a piece of the puzzle they haven't revealed yet that they will still bring? Cylinder, must we wait for it? Because right now, it looks like someone is trying to make a timeline fit a story instead of letting the story follow the truth. Kona okushaya amanzi kesana. And in a case this big, that kind of a mistake can change everything. Unless kesana lam, it can change everything. Awukwazi kaloku. Oh, Baloyi, my dear, awukwazi kaloku, awukwazi. Awukwazeki nje. Can't be. Hello. I remember uRamsipile wathi, I don't know if I should laugh or cry. I don't know whether I should laugh or cry. State evidence is a mess. Wayetsho lezi zinto. Wayetsho lezi Georgie, bruh, This is a mess. So Untanzi was sitting there and he had a spiritual awakening. Yet, yeah, job ezayo go October. Let me go and apply for leave. Go July. Untanzi was sitting there. Abaphansi it was like lamtshela nje ukuthi go October kune job ezoyenzeka. Guys, hardcore criminals. Abo mncube. Angithi bathi hardcore criminals. Abo mncube. Abo Mapisa, abo Ntuli, blood Ntuli, or Mr. 6 lifetimes. Ulinde amacha ithathe leave. Ulinde amacha ithathe leave. He's waiting for that amacha Untanzi uba makafumane leave before he can execute what he needs to do. Excuse me? Excuse me, ma'am? Excuse me, sir? Aibo. What the heck? See country. Oh my God, sivelelwe, I tell you. Aibona. Amahlonikimi, Nkosi yami. Baloyi. Like, akadeli ngani uBaloyi, guys? Doesn't he get tired? Oh my word. At this point, I am yes. Me, I don't know. I honestly don't know what can we do for Baloyi because wow. Oh my God. Aye. Nginichazela ke mnana ngecourt kaJudge Ratha. You know, but that's why he's so quiet today, because naye ushocked ukuthi hey, kaze ngayithwala lezi ndulu. Ithi la ngoma kaBrenda. Kaze nasithwala lesi sibhanxa. Hey! Kunzima. At this point kunzima. Kaze ndayithwala. Hey, awulithwela idombolo. Ulithwela uRathi idombolo shem. Kunzima phakula court yakhe, kunzima kuma fihli guys. Anyway guys, let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. What are your thoughts with all of this? Do you think Ubaloyi is still okay? Do you think uNtanzi uyamvorvaya umenzela umrivithi klankantolo? Umrivithi nje into eqhubeka pha. Masithethe ku comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Bye bye.